Turn on SpinDisc. Take the multimeter check disc out of the package. Place MCD in the SpinDisc unit. Select Disc Series. Select MCD. Select water drop icon. Start test. Wait 20 seconds for results. Following the results, compare the photometer channels to the corresponding channels on the white package the MCD disc came in. Select Disc Series. Select MCD. Select water drop icon. Select the Settings button. Select Calibration. Select Start. Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it should say Calibration Successful. If you don't get this result, call us at CES 800-940-1557.